Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest in the solar system. Does this ice giant have any sound? Please subscribe the channel to watch more informative videos like this. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest in the solar system. It is an ice giant. Uranus was formed approximately 4,503 million years ago. Uranus is in an average distance of 2,949.5 million kilometers away from Sun. Does this ice giant have any sound? Yes, this biggest ice giant has sound. NASA's Voyager spacecraft recorded the sound from Uranus.